In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to contact AOL chat support. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So just sign into your AOL account, and then right next to your username at the top, there should be something that says 24/7 help. Go ahead and select that, and then more ways to reach us. And then you can actually, if you wait for this page to load, there's a little chat button over here on the side. Please note this is coming from AOL. This is AOL's chat support. So it's actually kind of interesting that they actually offer this sort of assistance, and they even have phone numbers here to call. Not a lot of email services offer stuff like this, so it's a little unique. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.